NRM, what became the NRM, came with what we call the mass line, the line of the masses. Whatever we do, we think about the masses, the wananchi. While previously, the line was the line of elitism. Elitism. Abasoma versus abatasoma. The NRM has always been for the abatasoma n'abasoma. Previously, the emphasis was on abasoma boka, but NRM line is the line of the masses, the mass line. Abatasoma n'abasoma. And therefore, when you talk about the achievements of the NRM, you should audit, check the guidance of the NRM to the country and how it has been implemented. In the few minutes I have here, I can give some summary. On the side of security, I can say that the NRM has implemented its idea. The idea of security for all. Because remember, our line is the line of the masses. I'm very glad to see that you appreciate what the NRM has done. And what I would like is to ask those who are still not involved in wealth creation to get involved. Abatanetaba, mubona bagagawere, mwena get involved so that you are either in commercial agriculture or in yoga or services. All the channels are there. We have made the money available in all sectors. We are going to defeat this corruption. Tugenda kuwangula corruption. The present problem of corruption is because of the accounting officers. The permanent secretary, the chief administrative officer in a district, the town clerk, the Gombora chief. These are the 4 or 5 people in Uganda who are in charge of money, government money, in charge of personnel, jobs, in charge of procurement. They are the ones in charge. So the corruption which is happening is because of these 4. And unfortunately, they have let themselves down. But we are there, we are here. I am here. I have your support. I have the support of the freedom fighters. The other patriots are there. And the victims, the wananchi, are there. So the three of us are going to crush the corrupt.